Morrison, I'm 22 years old. I work here at Top Line Panel and Paint, and I've been here just over 2 years. I decided to pursue a career in the automotive industry because I've always been surrounded by it. From a young age, my dad was a diesel mechanic and raced cars, so I've never really known any different. On the side of being a panel beater, I'm a speedway racer on Saturday night. I race a midget car out of Western Springs Speedway mostly, but we do travel around the North and the South Island, so we do get around a lot, and thanks to the boss, it lets me have a little bit of time off. I'm very privileged to do what I do, and I've got a lot of supporting partners and sponsors that help me do it. I get here at 6 o'clock in the morning, I move the cars out and I kind of organise what I think we need inside for the day. Once I get everything organised, I'm more panel beating, so repairing a lot of cars and also stripping them down and getting them ready for James to paint.
My name's James Ingram, I'm the owner here at Top Line Panel and Paint. I'm the owner but also the painter. Ben's really good in the business. If I'm painting something and I can't be disrupted, then he'll answer the phone, he'll deal with customers and make sure everything runs smoothly while I'm preoccupied.
What I love about my job is seeing the difference from when they come in to when they leave. For example, this Toyota Starlet came in, it was rusty as, it had the dullest paint job you've ever seen, and now it's rolling out here just like it left the showroom floor. A fun aspect of my apprenticeship is being able to do my own personal work. I'm doing a lot of write-offs at the moment, buying wrecked cars and repairing them and putting them back on the road, but the funnest thing I've done is probably painting the mystery machine. It gets so much attention on the road and it's all kitted out like a camper van and everyone loves it. If you're looking at getting into the automotive industry, I'd say go for it. You learn so many transferable skills in one workplace. You deal with customers, you're on the phone dealing with other people ordering parts. The scope of things you can do is huge.
Decide sort of something you're into, just put your best foot forward. Have a good attitude, show up early, call car dealers, car yards, walk into mechanics shops, just look tidy, enthusiastic. For me, an attitude goes a long way. You might not be very good or very fast, but if you're keen to learn, then it'll go a long way.